Have you ever wanted to create cinematic AI videos directly inside ComfyUI? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use LTX-2.3, one of the most powerful open-source video generation models available today. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create videos from text prompts, animate still images, improve your output quality, and understand the settings that make the biggest difference. Let's jump right in. LTX 2.3 is an open-source AI video model designed to generate smooth, realistic motion while accurately following your prompts. Inside ComfyUI, it supports several different workflows, including text to video, image to video, audio-driven animation. Because it's fully integrated into ComfyUI, you have complete control over every step of the generation process, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced users. Let's begin with text to video. Open the LTX 2.3 text to video workflow inside ComfyUI. The workflow is actually very simple. On the left, you'll find the prompt box and a few basic settings. On the right, you'll see the generated result. That's all there is to it, making LTX 2.3 quick and easy to use. The first node is the prompt section. This is where you describe the scene you want LTX 2.3 to generate. For this example, let's create a scene of two supercars racing through the streets of a modern city at night. Next, add details about the environment, such as neon billboards, wet roads, and moving traffic, to make the scene feel more realistic and immersive. Finally, describe the camera movement. In this example, the camera starts with a low-angle tracking shot alongside the lead supercar, matching its speed as it races through the city. This tells LTX-2.3 not only what to generate, but also how the scene should be filmed. The more details you include about the subject, environment, and camera movement, the better LTX-2.3 can understand your creative vision and generate a dynamic, cinematic video. Next, choose your output resolution. For testing, I recommend starting at 720p. It renders much faster while still producing excellent quality. Then choose the number of frames. More frames create a longer animation, but they'll also require more rendering time and GPU memory. Once everything is configured, click Run. While the video is rendering, let's take a closer look at the generation settings. Let us see the final result. Now let's look at image to video. Open the LTX 2.3 image to video workflow inside ComfyUI. The workflow is very simple and only takes a few steps. First, upload the image you want to animate. For this example, I'll use an image of a female podcast host inside a modern podcast studio. Next, describe the movement you want to create. Unlike text to video, the image already defines the character, the environment, and the overall composition. Instead of describing what the image looks like, your prompt should focus on how you want the scene to move. For this example, my motion prompt looks like this. Notice that I'm not describing the appearance of the host or the podcast studio, because the uploaded image already contains those details. Instead, I'm describing the character's movement, her facial expressions, her body language. This allows LTX 2.3 to preserve the original image while generating smooth, realistic animation. Next, configure the generation settings, such as the output resolution, number of frames, and any other options you want to adjust. Click Run to generate your video. Once the generation is complete, you'll have a smooth, animated version of your original image while preserving its overall composition and visual quality. Let us see the final result.
Hello everyone, welcome to the show where we explore inspiring stories, fresh ideas, and meaningful conversations
Let's take a look at the next one. And that's how you can create impressive AI videos using LTX 2.3 in ComfyUI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI workflow tutorials, and leave a comment with the type of videos you'd like to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.